Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC, and proof that I'm not the only person who flies here in the afternoon. See, we've actually got other people. No, I do not own the field. But let's take the Kingfisher up for its second flight ever. All right, like I say, folks, this is the second time I've ever flown the Kingfisher. She'll do a knife edge for you, no problem. One of our members is flying his E-Flight Cirrus. Let's bring our plane in here. See if we can't do ourselves a nice little grass landing here. Taking it nice and slow, cruising around nice and pretty as you can see. Pretty little plane. Happy plane, happy plane. And now for the vicious bounce with those horrible, horrible hard tires. Okay, so not that bad of a bounce. Okay, sorry. All right, let's take off again.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
All righty.
Landing flaps.
All right. Now, right now, folks, the power is cut. I have no throttle, and I am just gliding right now. And you know what I need to do? Folks, I haven't done this. Let's do a stall test. All right. All right, that's what she does in a stall. Let me demonstrate that again. And all you're going to do is you're going to fly straight and level, get up to speed, cut the throttle, pull up on the elevator, and she just slumps right over. So very predictable plane. Let's get her landed and put her right here at my feet. What do you say? Beautiful flying plane. All right. All right, and watch this. Yeah, see? I don't quite have the control. I got the control surfaces set.
3 minutes.
Oh yeah. All right. See, just to show you folks that even on the, I have the control surfaces set on the beginner settings. So just to show you, even in beginner settings, you can do a lot of fun with it. Have a lot of fun, a lot of aerobatics with it. Fly her nice and low.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
So even a trainer style plane, you can do some aerobatics, go crazy with it, have fun, or put your flaps in and fly around nice and slow and pretty. Keeping her nice. Let the pilot hold his iced tea and not spill it. All right. All right. We're having a little party. We're waiting for the sun to go down. And we're going to put some planes in the air. It's got lights and everything on them. Let's see if we can't negate some of that bounce. Maybe not.
Landing flaps.
Really don't need landing flaps right now, but
Time remaining 1 minute. Flaps up.
well, anyways, this is the second time I've ever flown the Kingfisher, and I'm going to tell you, all the hype that I've had people tell me to get the Kingfisher, I understand it now. It's a nice flying little bird. Very nice flying little bird.
Brakes off. Brakes off.
Well, folks, there you go. Motor off. That is the FMS Kingfisher version 2. I gotta tell you, I'm very impressed with the plane, folks. I really am. I'm impressed with it. It's a good flying plane. Let's see how much juice is in the tank. I flew her hard for a good almost 5 minutes. Got a very tight ESC discharge lead. With a smart checker, you hold it in your right hand. %. Hey, can't beat that with a stick. All right, folks, well, there you go. That is the FMS Kingfisher version 2. Beautiful little plane. I didn't like the markings at first. I thought, well, it's kind of cartoonish, but I tell you what, you get this up in the sky, and that is a beautiful plane. Beautiful plane. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Fat Guy Flies RC at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club, and we're going to have a party here in a minute. Bye-bye, y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes.